Hi everyone, I am Abhilashni from Coimbatore. So I'm one of the exhibitors at TANAPEX 2025. So in this video, I'll just explain what I have done in my exhibit. So my exhibit is my journey through philately. According to my knowledge, I have just did this exhibit. So here it goes. So this is the front one. So the title of this exhibit is From Envelope to Exhibit. So my journey through philately and the evolution of stamps. So how stamp has impacted the whole world. So this is the whole idea of this exhibit. So this is from the technology side and the impact which ever happened from 1840 to current print. So, for example, like to tell you that, so before the invention of stamps, this was the first ever way of sending the post. So, which was pre-cover. So, before the issue of stamps, like this is how they used to send the letters. So, this is how it used to look. So, and this is the person who who is the father of philately. So, he is Sir Rowland Hill. So, he was the one who brought the term stamp postage into the world. So that will be penny black, which was issued by him. So this is penny black cover with Maltese cancellation. So penny black, which was issued on 1st May 1840. So but it came to use from May 6th. 1840. So this is the penny black cover. So and if you see, this is the second and third stamp which was issued after the penny black, which is penny blue and penny red. So and if you come across here, these are all the portraits of Queen, which was inspired by other countries, and they have issued stamps with the portrait of the Queen. So and then I just bought in the colonies and native states. This is the native states of each. Like for example, this is Germany native states, and we have India states here. So and then like for example, we have the Cochin Travancore state and Saurashtra state, whichever it was there in that period of time. So and then I thought of bringing it like how the World War has an impact of the separation of each countries and different kind of states and everything. So this is where the World War One comes in. So in this World War One, I have bought how the colonies have separated and how it goes on after that. So and the World War Two, this was the major period where the person who was hated by everyone, the Adolf Hitler, came in. So after that, there were a lot of occupied countries by German, and then these are the like this is the like page where the sacrifice and survival of the World War One and World War Two came in. So for especially because of World War Two, they have issued Red Cross stamps. So Red Cross stamps, one of the major charity stamps that have been issued. So this is the World War One, World War Two sacrifices. So and here comes the inflation. So inflation stamps are the stamps that was issued during the World War period. So for example, and product would get a hike. I mean the amount will raise. So like for such stamp also they have issued the inflation stamps. This is all. So and then these are colony stamps. So after the separation of World War One and World War Two, these are the separated colonies, so under which it was in control. So just stamp did not end with stamps. So we have kind of postal stationaries which comes after the stamps. So if you see, this is the wrapper. So these wrapper is one of the most specially used postal covers in previous years. So this is the wrapper and this is the wrapper cutting. So and there are postcards, letter cards, and one thing I especially wanted to mention is the postage due. So which is one of my favorite topics. So if you see, we used to give money to send the postages and sort of things. So here they used the postage seal. So how much they want to pay. So here the stamps are attached, like the stamps are pasted, so that it indicates how much needed to be paid. So when they pay and then stamps how much they have paid, they have stick. So this is bisect stamp. So which is like if the stamp is 1 rupee and you just need to pay like 0.5. So this stamp they used to half cut it and then send it. So this is one of the philatelic term. So and if you see, there are a lot of types of covers which are sent. So this is meter franking. So and this is if you see, this is letter card, inland letters that is used to be sent. And here registered mails. So we have greeting cards that is issued by Indian postal government. On occasions we can send this postal cards stationery. So, and if you see, these are stationary, the type of carried covers that are sent. So, for example, if you see here the carried covers, so the carried covers, how earlier they used to send the letters and postage items through post. So this is first it was sent by mans, how they used to carry it. So men's used to deliver it. So and then they came the cart by which they used to send it. So and then we have pigeonograms, so which is sent by pigeons, and we have balloon covers. So how the by sea. So we have by sea how the mails are sent by sea. And we have the aerograms. So after the invention of aeroplanes, we have the aerograms which has been sent. So for specifically tell you that this is a crash cover of Great Britain to Canada sent cover, crash cover in Canada. So this I wanted to mention it. This is one of the most rarest item here. So this is the crash cover. So this I wanted. And if you see here, this is how the finance side used to use the stamps. So this is revenue stamps of various countries I've brought in here. So and then we have advertising. So stamp doesn't end with just collection, hobby and passion and sort of things. So many of the companies used to advertise via stamps, which was one of the major advertisement in the earlier days, because most of the people doesn't have TV and sort of things. So we used to advertise via postage. So this is movies advertisement. So one of the movies advertisement here. So this is just to advertise how helmet helps everybody. So this is stamps has a passion. So like if you see Queen Elizabeth, she have a huge collection of stamps of her. So this is all the philatelic terms. Next I'm going to bring in the philatelic terms here. So we have lot of terms under philately. So I've just bought some important philatelic terms here. So this is one of the page which just tells you how thematic collections is. So and this is the first commemorative and definitive stamps issued in India. So this is one of the rarest, this is one of the glossiest stamps which is present. This is archaeological set, and this is Gandhi set that is issued by India. So here I just wanted to tell you that this cover is nothing but, so for example, if our India has issued a cover and it is used in foreign countries, so that's what I bought here, covers with a dual legacy. So issued from here but used in different countries. So this is the thing here. So and this is philatelic terms which I've bought. So this is basic. What are the basic philatelic terms that are here? So this is mint used in different types of singles, strips, gutta pair. So this, and also in our government, they not especially in our government, like almost every countries. So we can get my stamp. So if you give your photo, the government will get you with your photo, with your photo as label and with a stamp. They will print and give you. So this is one of the thing. So this is unusual. So if you see, this is embossed, and this stamp is made with cloth. So this is one of the unusual stamps which is present here. This is wood stamp. So for example, the stamp is made of wood. So when we have like private covers here. So when this is one of the mourning covers. So for the death of person, they used to issue mourning covers. So this is for Tata, they have issued mourning covers. So and then if you see, like few organizations have issued their own stamps in case, for example, WWF. So WWF, to raise the fund and to protect the animals and nature's life, they used to issue stamps. So we have a lot of organizations that are issuing stamps. So this is errors, deluxe proofs. So this is deluxe proof. So before giving you the stamp, they used to print in card to check it. So this is proofs that how the stamps are going to be received. So this is our postcard, maxi cards. So they used to print the stamp in maxi card and give it to you. So this is one of the philatelic terms. So these are sheetlets, brochures, and this is booklet. So we have a lot of philatelic terms like this. So this is, for example, this is color trials. So first they get it how the color trials. So for example, they used to start with black and white, and then they'll try with the next color. So like goes on, and then we'll get the final output of the stamp. So this is presentation pack. This is brochures as informed earlier. So we have, this to tell about this. So in covers, they used to give a slogan or like some kind of information in this. So for example, this is Mahatma Gandhiji's slogan. So here we have the pictorial cancellation. So this is one of the notable things. So when here we have surcharges. So for example, we have here the overprint surcharges. So the stamp which has the higher value, they'll overprint it here. So for example, we have a lot of overprints here. So this is error stamps. So error stamps are rare, and then we find difficult to collect it, but it is one of the preservative which you can keep for lifelong, because it is only received very less. So this, for example, if you see here, our Indian flag, the perforation shift. So the Indian flag and the perforation shift is below. So and then we have the joint issues. So like two countries joint issues they used to list. So if you see here, we have Saturn and pair from Cuba and China. So for their connections, so they have this. So and now to bring here, we have the stamps that attract and inspire kids to collect. So nowadays, if you see, there are like only, for example, like to tell you, out of 100% of people, only 2% knows about philately and stamps. So in this generation, nobody have the idea of stamps. So like a lot of people, like Walt Disney have issued the stamps, and most of the kids start get inspired by collecting these stamps and seeing it. So that is one. So and these are for example, for each exhibition used to issue their own stamps. So for example, Bird Pigs, which has happened in 1990, has issued their stamps here. So and then now comes the technology. So technology, if you see here, like just we have a print of stamps. So the technology has developed. So it started from lithograph printing, and now we have like 3D scented stamps. This is steel stamp, this is hologram, this is cloth, this is lenticular, and we have the glitter stamp. This is a braille stamp which the people can touch and feel it. So and which is started here now. Current trend, we have the crypto stamp. So which is a current trend, and it is hyping. So this is the conclusion. So just wanted to tell you in the conclusion that philately is a vast subject. So we have a lot of things in it. You will get a lot of knowledge. So like we encourage people and kids to start collecting it, and then get an idea. And like instead of getting like, this is a huge hobby. This is not just a hobby also. This is a part of huge investment. So if you have it now and if you preserve it for your future, it is a great investment. So this, by saying this, I just wanted to conclude the evolution of the stamps that has happened. So thank you.